Hi, it's Lee or a Fee. I have a cold, so don't mind that. And today we're doing a mixture Spiderverse. Well, for you. For Instagram, I'm gonna wear a spider suit. But for you, I look like her on... She just took her clothes off, she left her helmet on, blah blah blah. So, this is Widowmaker Spiderverse, I guess. Maybe I'll insert pictures. I may not. Also, BK Comic Con, Brooklyn Comic Con, is in June 15 and 16? One of those days. So yeah, go to this site. If you are going to Brooklyn Comic Con and you want a discount of $5, Air of Glee, all lowercase, please. Yeah, so whatever. This is what I'm gonna do. let's do makeup, because I got makeup. I got new makeup and stuff. Okay, I love you. Bye bye. Oh no, that's at the end. Sorry. Welcome and stay to watch the transformation. So today we're going to be changing our facial features. Facial features. So she has a frown brow most of the times, and she have kind of long eyes and a bunch of shadow there. Lips and nose, we're not changing that because I like my lip and nose. You should like your lips and nose as well. Unless you want to change it, fine, go ahead and do it. So, since we're on a no-buy, whatever, I'm using everything I have now, and since this is going to make my skin blue, I'm hoping for a more deeper blue, you know, matching to my skin tone. Let's see what happens. I got some new products. I'm just going to use this color corrector. I have an orange one, that works, so I might as well use the lighter one, that's yellow, onto my face. I mean, I'm not really trying to get rid of imperfections, I just want the primer element to it. Now I don't need to do my neck because a Spider-Man suit, thank God. And thank God it's like really like, yeah, me in words. Flexible. That's it. Flexible. You don't need a mask, and since I'm a makeup person, I will not use a mask. Why? Why will I hide my pretty face? I care about my boobs more than anyone else. I understand. I love coloring them too. Not in some like sexual way, it's just so pretty. Boobs are really pretty. They're very pretty. If guys wasn't so sexual with it, it would be like just a pretty accessory to have if you want. Fake one, real ones, it's just a pretty accessory. This is translucent powder. Anyway, some people like boobs because it's awfully pretty. Kind of like thigh fat, especially in thigh highs. It's hard to say thigh without thinking of tie, because tie is spelled as thigh. My brain make things weird. But anyway, boobs for me are like the thigh high, thigh fat on top. It's just so cute. It's so nice to draw. So I have two new products that I want to use. It looks the same, but one's 510, one's R21. R21 is the one I'm not going to use today, but I'm going to show you. Look at that pink. Look at that pink. What is in here? Oh, ultramarine. Ultramarine. Still smell good. So it's so perfect. Do I scrape this now? I really want to eat it. Okay, so I already have my white on my palette. I'm just going to put blue on the other side. And then take some blue from there. Blue is a powerful color. In painting, blue is the most powerful color to use. Oh, other than black. Black is not really a color, so we're not going to talk about that too much. So I'm going to mix it near the white, you know? Because, like I said, blue is powerful. Alright, we're going to just do a line across the face, a Matissure look. You know, where she's just like, ooh, what happened? There's no update there, so I can't see. Oh, wow. Lily May Makara. Let's just say Makara or Lily. Thank you for following. Hello. Okay, so she has very long eyes. She do have hooded lids, so I don't have to do a cut crease. Oh, I'm so excited. So since her skin color is kind of like this in the dark, this is her skin color in the dark. I think in normal lighting it's like this, but I'm dark skinned, so I'm going more in the dark side. The dark side. Okay, so we're going to elongate our eyes, so we're going to use this, I'm saying so way too much, use this color to draw a shadow of hooded lids, because she has hooded lids. Great explanation. Now we just blend out that for now. I'm going to use Periwinkle to blend out the edges. Kind of matches my face just a little bit. It's not darker, it just looks like it. Or maybe it is darker. So you get you get a black that you really like and don't mind destroying. You put a dot of eye drops on the side of it, and then use it as a well to mix with the black on the other side so you can make your eyeliner. This is my favorite way to do an eyeliner. I learned it from a drag queen, as we all have learned most of our makeup looks from a drag queen. Okay, we're going to extend our eyes out because she has nice long, cat fish's eyes, I guess. So I guess draw a normal cat eye as you do. I like to extend the bottom part of my face. And you see from there, I like to bring it down under my natural crease there. Because if I go over, it will kind of skip and be uneven. You can kind of see it there. It will just rise above that, and then the lines will be two disconnected lines. So I can't bring my eyeliner above my crease unless I'm doing a drag look, where it covers all of this crease. Yay, crease. And then line the rest of your eyes. Since I don't have much space, I go under inside my eye. It's kind of hooded in there too. In there to deepen it, and then come out on top to meet the other liner. I also dip into the well and use it on the other side too, so it kind of keeps it wet. I'm going to follow my natural crease, which is kind of squarish. I hate that. And extend this over into here. That space. Because her eyelids is very extended and very wide. And I'm going to bring it here too. I'm going to go over it. And then, as I look forward, I'll bring it up above my natural crease. Yes, we're going to use a deeper blue. Looks like this. And we're going to dot it over our fake eyelid, or real eyelid. I just extended my eyelid. Ooh. Okay, now we add the purple in the deepest parts. Wow, my throat just got more husky. We added it here and here. Yeah, already kind of high there, and we're gonna go for a smaller. Is my nose gonna run? Oh man! And a smaller blending brush, which looks like this, nice and handy to just blend out the edges of that. Because she's extra hooded here for some reason, or for her reason, she just has that kind of face shape. Okay, so here's the kind of scary part. We're gonna put some glitter glue on. And glitter glue is kind of intense as an eyeshadow base, or loose eyeshadow base. We're going to use, or you could use any kind of loose eyeshadow by using Lumi, which is luminous and very nice green blue. We're going to cut. We're actually going to cut a crease, but we're going to cut our own crease. We're going to make it nice and, you gotta raise up your eyebrows to get that space. I mean, it looks nice like this, but we want to cut. This will pick up the paint underneath, but that's fine because you're putting pigment on. Yeah, I am talking through my nose now. Are you wondering why this one's more toned down? Well, I put some of that periwinkle on top of it because it's too powerful. There we go. And I left here a little bit more, luminous. This is why I didn't add the black on yet. saving that for last. And I kind of dipped into Lumi a little bit more, because the corner here spreads light. So I kind of blend out that, at least that part. It doesn't really stick well on its own. It kind of like disappears and leaves some sparkles. There. We're ready for the black again. You can use any eyeliner. This one is faulty, so I can't really get a point with it. I'm gonna try on this side though. Let's see if it worked. Now I can fix the mistake I had before. It went too high up here. I don't like when it's too high up here. Oh, that's seeping into my eye. It burns. Okay, we're making her furrow brow. Is that what it's called? Furrow brow? Because she's always like, well, I don't have to do it now. She's always like that. And then we gonna like cut it later on to make it a little bit more clean and clean, like an anime character. I'm using water paint and tone it down or put some brush hairs, whatever I feel like. This is just the base and guideline. We're on. So I'm using Crayon white and white to mold around my eyebrows. Who's this? Thank you for following Widowmaker. Ooh. I just watched a Let's Play of that. So we're setting some of that, but I'm going to set under my brow bone with some shiny pale champagne. It's not yellow champagne, it's like blue undertone white champagne, so that makes no sense. And under that I'm going to use periwinkle to bring them together. Oh! It formed a kind of blue rainbow there. The periwinkle mixed into the color and also became a little bit shiny itself. Since I'm going for the darker look, you know, hair's going to be brighter, as I always do. I'm going to put gray all over my face. Blue for the contour parts. I mean, might as well start doing that now. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, we're going to start with the white first. We're going to cut and all that. Going to add it here for the highlight. And of course, cutting under here and going under and connecting to your mouth. I like to connect to my mouth. You know, since this look is white base, you could get away with using white. Or you can use white and put a color over it. It is now for neutral. It looks just like the other one, right? And we put it everywhere else. Okay, so we're gonna periwinkle it up over most of the white stuff, you know, to blend out and stuff. Especially here is a harsh line. Some people don't like that. So we get rid of that. For the chin area. You could go under your eyes and then add white after. Actually, that kind of looks pretty cool. Glad that happy accident happened. Now periwinkle it up. Who is this? Oh, thank you. Symphonia. Symphonia live. Are you live right now? Sorry, I'm kind of dazed. I get dazed around this time when I forget what I'm doing. Oh, thanks for, well, I guess I'm live now. Thanks for hosting me. Oh, black. So we're going into that blue to contour with. Really. This is going to kind of give her more color, which you don't really need. But you do need that contour. Oh! And the contour, and the temple. Purple Panic. Purple Panic for Wet n Wild. Smells like lipstick. Her lips. I guess I'm just gonna do my normal lip. Just the outer. Wait, yeah, she has Cupid's bow. Damn it. And then use lipstick on the inner side. Inner lip. It's time to. I'm going with the blue first. This is macaron lip is from NYX. Earl Grey. It smells like the coating of a really good candy. Just the coating part. Has a little mint to it. I look like an alien crackhead. And we're gonna put violet. Oh, how unexpected. On top of that, I want it to be creamy looking. Alien crackhead. I'm gonna try Sinful over it to see if it will make it deep but not too deep. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, it's getting there. Okay. Now the hard part is if you want to reapply, it's a lot of mixing. I think it would be best to find this out. This is her color. I found it. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, that's even colder. Okay. Hello. And here is the finished look. Were you this close this whole time? Oh, you could come closer. So this is the look. What more do you want from me? I do want to add some things. The thing I will do different is the smile line thing, what I usually do. This didn't work as well, though I did shave my face, and it works pretty well. The areas I shaved my face, around my mouth, eyebrows. I'm gonna start shaving my face with razors now. Also, this look kind of made me fall in love with my natural hooded eyes. It kind of gives you more of a cat eye look when you do it like this. So I may try this with my normal face, you know, with the blushing of the eyes, and then just fill in that spot with whatever color you want just to pop. Also, I would extend my eyes with liner exactly like this too. I like it. I mean, I feel older, but I like it, you know? Also, thank you for staying and watching this transformation, this cosplay. And to come back, don't forget to use the discount code. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, whichever platform this video is on. One of those things. You know, to see more looks, to recommend more looks. Heyo! If you're wondering, this is what it looks like with the suit on. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ee. Okay, so thank you for watching. Maybe I should talk like this for the rest of the video, which is at the end. Okay, I love you. Bye bye.